Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to turn on two-factor authentication on Twitch. So first of all, launch Twitch app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on the option of profile at the bottom right corner. Once you come here, you'll see a gear icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now, once you come here, go ahead and tap on Security and Privacy. Now over here, you'll see the option of two-factor authentication. Tap on it. Now over here, tap on the option of Enable two-factor authentication. Now all you would have to do is enter in your phone number. After this, tap on the option of Continue. Now all you would have to do is enter the verification code that has been sent to you. You will be getting a verification code on your number, so simply copy it, paste the verification code, and tap on Submit. With that, two-factor authentication will successfully be enabled or turned on your Twitch account. Then tap on Done. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.